Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? Hope you are fine and taking good care of your health. Now, today our topic is about multiplication, chapter number 5 of your book. Now, first of all, let us define the term what is multiplication. Multiplication is the process of repeatedly adding the same number. What is multiplication, my dear students? Multiplication is the process of repeatedly adding the same number, and the sign X stands for the multiplication. And the sign X stands for the multiplication. That means the symbol of multiplication is the sign X. My dear students, as you have already learned in your previous class about the multiplication, that multiplication is a shortcut for repeated addition. What is multiplication? Multiplication is a shortcut for repeated addition. Let us revise here with the example. As you see this example, that there are 4 plates. How many plates are there, my dear students? There are 4 plates, and in each plate there are 5 cookies. How many cookies are there in each plate? There are 5 cookies in each plate. Now what we have to do now? We simply have to find out the total number of cookies. What we have to find out? Simply we have to find out the number of cookies in all. My dear students, to find out the number of cookies in all, there are 2 methods. How many methods are there? There are 2 methods. Now the method first is, we add the number of cookies in each plate. What is the first method? We simply add the number of cookies in each plate. Let us do it. Now in plate first, how many cookies are there? There are 5 cookies. Let us write down here 5. Now the plus sign. In plate second, how many cookies? 5. Very good. Now in the third plate, how many cookies? 5. Very good. And in the fourth plate, how many cookies are there? 5. Very good. Now 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. 15 plus 5 is equal to 20. Very good. Now, how many cookies are there in all? There are 20 cookies in all. Now the method second. Method second is that here we would multiply the numbers. What we do here? We would multiplying what we do here? We would here multiply the numbers. Let us see how. As you see that there are 4 plates, and in each plate there are 5 cookies. How many cookies are there in each plate? There are 5 cookies in each plate. Now let us do the multiplication. First, number of plates. My dear students, how many plates are there in all? Yes? How many plates are there in all? There are 4 plates. Very good. Now, number of cookies in each plate. How many cookies are there in each plate? Yes? 5 cookies. Very good. Now here the multiplication. What we have to find out? We have to find out the total number of cookies. Therefore, total number of cookies is equal to, now let us do the multiplication here. 5 into 4s are Yes, my dear student. 5 into 4 are 20. Very good. Now, how many cookies are there in all? There are 20 cookies in all. With this example, we can say that what we can say that multiplication is a shortcut for repeated addition. What is multiplication, my dear students? Multiplication is a shortcut for repeated addition. My dear students, now in this chapter you will learn how to multiply the numbers by using the single digit number and by using the double digit numbers. Now let us take the example second first. Rakesh has scored 53 runs in each of the 4 matches. How many runs is that altogether? What the question is saying, my dear students? Question is saying that Rakesh has scored 53 runs in one match. Now what we have to find out? We have to find out how many runs he has scored in 4 matches. What we have to find out, my dear students? We have to find out how many runs Rakesh has scored in 4 matches. Let us do it. Method first is we simply add the number of runs in each match. What is the method first? We simply add the number of runs in each match. And in each match, how many runs Rakesh has scored? Yes, my dear students, how many runs? 53 runs. Very good. Write down here 53. Yes, in first match, how many runs he has scored? 53. In the second match, how many runs? Very good. 53 runs. Yes. In the third match, how many runs? 53. Now, in the fourth match, how many runs? 53 runs. Very good. Now we have to add these numbers. What do we have to add? We have to add these numbers. And the answer we get is 212 runs. What is the answer, my dear students? Answer is the 212 runs. Now, how many runs Rakesh has scored in the 4 matches? Rakesh has scored 212 runs in 4 matches. Very good. Now, the method second. What is the method second? We have to simply multiply the numbers. What is the method second? We have to simply multiply the numbers. Here, we simply multiply the numbers. Very good. Now let us see how. My dear students, tell me number of runs Rakesh has scored in each match. How many runs Rakesh has scored in each match? 53 runs. Very good. We have to write down it here. Come on, students. Number of runs scored in each match. That is 53. Very good. Now, number of matches played. How many matches Rakesh has played? 4 matches. Very good. Number of How many? 4. Very good. Now here the multiplication sign. Now what we have to find out? We have to find out how many runs he has scored in all. What we have to find out? We have to find out how many runs he has scored in all. Now total number of runs in all. Very good. Now here, my dear students, we first multiply the digit at the ones place, then multiply the digit at the tens place. Now 4 threes are, yes, 4 threes are 12. 2 comes here in the ones column and 1 comes carry at the tens column. Very good. Now 4 fives are 20. 20 plus carry 1, add the carry 1, 20 plus add the carry 1 is equal to 21. Now how many runs Rakesh has scored? Rakesh has scored 212 runs in all. Now also, my dear student, with this example we can say that multiplication is a shortcut for repeated addition. What is multiplication here now? Multiplication is a shortcut for repeated addition. Yes. Now the main important point. First, the two numbers that are multiplied my dear student, read it with me. The two numbers that are multiplied are called the factors of multiplication. That means the two numbers that are multiplied together to get the answer are called the factors of multiplication. Let us see here. In this example, 53 and 4 are multiplied together to get the answer. And here 53 and 4 are called the factors of multiplication. Here 53 and 4 are called the factors of multiplication. Now the second point is the answer is called the product of multiplication. Now the answer we get is called the product of multiplication. Here in this example, the answer we got is 212. Here 212 is called the product of multiplication. What the 212 is here? 212 is called the product of multiplication. Now, my dear students, let us look at the question. Question is, find the product by using the single digit number. What is the question? Question is find the product by using the single digit number. Part A is 132 multiplied by 4. What we have to do? We have to multiply 132 by 4. Now my dear students, here first we have to multiply the digit at the ones place, then the digit at the tens place, then multiply the digit at the hundreds place. What we have to do, my dear students? We have to multiply first the digit at the ones place, then the digit at the tens place, and lastly the digit at the hundreds place. Now here in this question, in this part, the digit at the ones place is 2. Now we have to multiply 4 with the digit 2. Now my dear students, 4 twos are, yes, 4 twos are 8. Very good. Write 8 here in the ones column. Now my dear students, the digit at the tens place is 3. We have to multiply 4 with the digit 3. Now 4 threes are Yes, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12. Very good. Write 2 here in the tens column and write 1 carry to the hundreds column. Okay, my dear students. Now, the digit at the hundredth place is 1. What we have to do? We have to multiply 1 with the 4. Very good. 4 ones are 4. Yes, my dear students, 4 ones are 4. Now, add the carry 1. 4 ones are 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Now, the answer we get is 528. What is the answer? Answer is 528. Very good. Now, the another question. Another part is 463 multiplied by 2. What is the another part? 463 multiplied by 2. What we have to do first? We have to multiply the digit at the ones place, then multiply the digit at the tens place, then lastly multiply the digit at the hundreds place. Very good. Now, my dear students, here the digit at the ones place is 3. We have to multiply 2 with the digit 3. Now, 2 threes are, yes, 2 threes are 6. Very good. Now, my dear student, the digit at the tens place is 6. Now, we have to multiply 2 with the digit 6. Yes, 2 6s are, yes, 2 6s are 12. Very good. We write 2 here in the tens column and write carry 1 to the hundreds column. Now, the digit at the hundreds column is 4. We have to multiply 2 with the digit 4. Now, 2 4s are 8. Now, my dear student, what we have to do now? 2 4s are 8. Now, add the carry 1, that is 1. 2 4s are 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. And the answer is 926. My dear student, this is all about today's lecture. I will see you again. Allah Hafiz.